Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I've got a small haul that I'll get on with quickly. It is from Hobbycraft. I'll just get this open. It's quite early in the morning. I'm on my second coffee. So thirsty. I intended to make this order because I needed something specifically for my craft room, and out of all of that I went and forgot the one thing that I really wanted. So I ordered 3 of these glues. I like the way they've wrapped them. If they seep out, they won't damage any other thing in the box. Alright, I've used this before. This is the high tack, all-purpose, very sticky glue. It's like the Aleene's tacky glue. It's a nice glue. It dries clear as well and flexible for crafts, cards, hobbies, trimmings. Safe and non-toxic. That's what I like. Very reasonably priced. I think they were £3. £3 each, I think it was. And let's see what I've got here. The one thing I went on to the site to purchase, I forgot it. It was the Liquidix matte gel. I got some stickers for my Multi-Poo puppy. And this is for his journal, because I altered a notebook into a journal for him. If you'd like to see that video, I can always just put it at the top of the screen here, or somewhere around the screen. I'll definitely do that for you. So I just got him some stickers for when I'm decorating. It's cute, isn't it? It's the it says kids stickers, but what do we like, us adults? Anyway, when it comes to our crafting, we're just able to use all sorts, right? So I'm looking forward to using those. I always keep the bubble wrap for reuse. I was quite curious about these. They're A4 book jackets. I decided to get them because they were reduced, and I thought, I might be able to make some journals with these. They're transparent. Really pleased with that. And it's got the pockets. So there's 5 in the pack, and I think the A4 was £2.50 for the 5 in the pack, and I've got the A5 as well. So excited. This is definitely for journals. Do some unusual ones, right? Yes, I'm so pleased with that. 5 in a pack, and they're A5. Really pleased with these. I've been looking for them actually, but I didn't know what they were called. I just put like transparent book covers or whatever, because I've got my faith journal. I love it so much. It's covered with one of these, and I just really like it. And also it's got the zip where you can keep your pencils and bits and pieces in on the side. So I really like them. I've got a thing for those book jackets. I decided to get this traveler's notebook because I'm hooked on notebooks. Got an inside pocket, it's got one notebook with it, inside pocket at the back, inside pocket at the front, lovely, and a pen holder. And if you would like to see my notebook collection, just let me know in the comments below. My journals as well, and my planners, just let me know. I really enjoyed doing that little bit of shopping at Hobbycraft. I also got these. It's well worth to invest in the duct tape because it's strong and it's long lasting. I decided to get it in a couple of colours, the purple and the light blue. There you go, that's my haul. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Really appreciate you popping over and saying hi and checking out my craft videos and all sorts. Take care of your good selves and I'll see you back soon. Bye.